From space, Earth glows blue, a world defined by water. Water covers most of our planet, filling oceans, seas, and even the air we breathe. Without it, there would be no clouds, forests, or life at all. Every living thing depends on water's endless journey, the water cycle. Water rises from oceans, forms clouds, and returns as rain or snow, connecting every corner of the globe. The water you drink today may have once flowed through ancient rivers or glaciers. This cycle purifies and distributes water, sustaining life everywhere. The sun powers this system, lifting water vapor and leaving impurities behind. Fresh water travels over land, nurturing life far from the sea. The water cycle is the heartbeat of our planet, a rhythm we must respect and protect. High above, clouds form as the sun turns water into invisible vapor. As air cools, vapor condenses into droplets, creating the clouds we see. When clouds grow heavy, rain falls, nourishing earth, washing leaves, and cleaning the air. For farmers, rain means hope. For dry land, it's life itself. Once on the ground, rain's journey continues. Some soaks into soil, feeding plants and underground reservoirs. Some flows over hard surfaces, forming streams and puddles, pulled by gravity toward rivers and lakes. Rain distributes fresh water across continents, shaping landscapes over millennia. The amount of rain creates diverse environments, from rainforests to deserts. Each drop helps carve valleys and sculpt mountains, a gentle force with immense power. Rain is nature's architect, quietly reshaping our world with every fall. Imagine a single raindrop landing softly on a hillside, its journey just beginning. It joins countless others, trickling through blades of grass, pulled gently downhill by gravity, weaving its way through the lush green landscape. Small streams begin to merge, forming brooks and creeks that wind through forests, carrying bits of soil, fallen leaves, and tiny seeds along the way. Our drop tumbles over smooth stones, swirling and bouncing, now part of a lively, moving community of water, always in motion. The creek eventually flows into a mighty river, a powerful current sweeping the drop through bustling cities, dense forests, and towering cliffs, connecting distant places. Rivers transport vital nutrients and sediments, shaping entire landscapes, nourishing plants and animals, and building rich deltas where new life can thrive. The drop may reach a tranquil lake, circulating for years beneath the surface, or seep quietly underground to become part of the hidden world of groundwater. Underground, it travels slowly through layers of rock and sand, sometimes for centuries, filtered and purified by the earth itself. Eventually, it may emerge in a crystal-clear spring, bubbling up from the ground, beginning its journey all over again. Each path, whether on the surface or deep underground, connects water to every part of life, nourishing forests, animals, and people alike. The journey of a single drop is a story of movement, transformation, and connection, linking mountains, rivers, lakes, and oceans in a never-ending cycle. Water's path is never-ending, always shaping and sustaining our world, carving valleys, nurturing life, and creating beauty wherever it flows. Every drop matters in the grand cycle of life, reminding us that even the smallest journey can have a profound impact on the world around us. Rivers are Earth's arteries, carrying water from mountains to sea. The Nile, the world's longest river, sustains millions and countless ecosystems. Civilizations have flourished along rivers, using them for water, farming, and trade. Lakes act as reservoirs, storing vast amounts of fresh water, like Lake Superior, which holds 10% of the world's surface fresh water. Lakes form from glaciers, volcanoes, or shifting rivers, providing habitats for diverse life. Rivers and lakes are always in motion, circulating water and oxygen vital for life. Seasonal changes mix lake waters, distributing nutrients and supporting ecosystems. These waterways support animals, plants, and entire forests along their banks. They're crucial links in the water cycle, evaporating water to form clouds and rain. Rivers and lakes are dynamic systems, sustaining life and connecting the planet. Every living thing needs water, humans, plants, and animals alike. Water is the foundation of life on Earth, connecting us all in a delicate balance. From the smallest insect to the tallest tree, water is the common thread that sustains existence. Our bodies are mostly water. We need it daily to survive and thrive. Drinking water refreshes us, keeps our organs working, and helps regulate our temperature. Without enough water, we quickly feel tired and unwell. Water is essential for cooking, cleaning, and growing food. It washes away dirt and germs, helps us prepare healthy meals, and nourishes the gardens that feed us. Plants draw water from soil, using it for growth and photosynthesis. Water travels from roots to leaves, fueling the process that turns sunlight into energy and keeps plants alive. Without water, plants wilt and die. Their green color is water's gift. A single rainfall can transform a dry landscape into a lush, vibrant scene. Animals rely on water too. Some, like camels, survive with little, while others, like fish, live entirely in water. Each species has adapted in its own way to find and use water. Water shapes animal behavior, from elephants bathing to birds drinking from puddles. Many animals travel great distances just to find water, especially during dry seasons. Watering holes and riverbanks become hubs of life, supporting diverse communities. These places are gathering spots where animals meet, interact, and depend on each other. Even the ocean's tiniest plants, phytoplankton, use water and sunlight to produce oxygen. They are the unseen heroes, making the air we breathe and supporting ocean life. Water is the stage for all life's drama, a medium, not just a resource. It shapes landscapes, creates habitats, and brings creatures together in a constant cycle. The connection between water and life is everywhere, visible in every living thing. Protecting water means protecting life itself, for today and for generations to come. Though Earth is covered in water, less than 1% is accessible fresh water. This tiny sliver is all that's available for drinking, agriculture, and supporting the vast diversity of life on land. It's a surprising fact, considering how water seems so abundant when we look at our blue planet from space. Most of Earth's water is salty ocean or locked away in glaciers and polar ice caps. Only a tiny fraction is fresh and usable. The rest is out of reach, frozen solid or too salty for most life forms to use. This means that every drop of fresh water is incredibly valuable. Beneath our feet lies groundwater, the largest reservoir of liquid fresh water on the planet. Hidden in vast underground aquifers, this water is stored between layers of rock and soil, quietly supporting life above. Groundwater feeds springs, rivers, and wetlands, sustaining entire ecosystems even during the driest seasons. Without it, many landscapes would become barren, and countless species would struggle to survive. Humans tap into this hidden resource for drinking, irrigation, and industry. But groundwater is finite, and overuse can lead to wells running dry or land sinking as aquifers are depleted. Water's journey underground can be brief or last centuries. Some groundwater is ancient, having traveled slowly through rock over thousands of years. Once used, this irreplaceable water may take millennia to replenish. Water shapes our world in dramatic ways. The Grand Canyon, for example, was carved by the persistent flow of the Colorado River over millions of years, revealing layers of Earth's history. Even soft water, given enough time, can cut through solid rock, sculpting valleys and canyons and transforming landscapes. Erosion by water is a constant, powerful force, always at work, gradually changing the face of our planet and shaping coastlines, riverbanks, and mountains. Water is not just a passive liquid, it's a powerful geological force, capable of both gentle nourishment and dramatic transformation. Its scarcity and power make water one of Earth's most precious resources, essential for life and worthy of our respect and careful stewardship. The water on Earth today is the same water that cycled for billions of years. It connects us all. What happens upstream affects everyone downstream. Pollution and overuse threaten our water, while climate change brings droughts and floods. We must act together to protect this shared, finite resource. Simple actions, using water wisely, fixing leaks, avoiding pollution, make a difference. Supporting cleanups and sustainable practices helps keep water safe for all. Water is the lifeblood of our planet. Caring for it is caring for our future. Let's protect every precious drop, ensuring clean water for generations to come.